Crypto Daybook Americas. Bitcoin jolted by Trump-Musk clash. Rebounds before jobs data. Your day ahead look for June 6, 2025. You are viewing Crypto Daybook Americas, your morning briefing on what happened in the crypto markets overnight and what's expected during the coming day. Crypto Daybook Americas will arrive in your inbox at 7 a.m. Eastern Time to kickstart your morning with comprehensive insights. If you're not already subscribed, click here. You won't want to start your day without it. By Omkar Godbole, all times ET unless indicated otherwise. Bitcoin, BTC, and the wider cryptocurrency market recovered from overnight lows, with Monero XMR, XRP and SUI leading the bounce ahead of the pivotal U.S. non-farm payrolls report, which is expected to show a slowdown in hiring in May. In the short term, weak data may support BTC to continue the rebound. The market is concerned about Friday's non-farm payrolls report. If it again shows that the labor market cooling will strengthen the year rate cut expectations, analysts at Bitunix said in an email. Other analysts expressed concerns about the public spat between President Donald Trump and his one-time ally and billionaire tech entrepreneur Elon Musk over tax reforms and their impact on fiscal deficit. A public clash between Elon Musk and Donald Trump shook investor confidence, highlighting fractures within political and business leadership, said Valentin Fournier, lead research analyst at BRN. Traditional markets held relatively steady, minus 0.5%, but crypto saw a sharp reaction, with $830 million in liquidations as leveraged traders got wiped out. Fournier suggested maintaining a cautious, low-exposure stance, expecting sideways or further downside action over the weekend. Any near-term rebound will need a fundamental catalyst to be sustained, he noted. More buoyantly, USDC Issuer Circle shares surged 168% on their first day of NYSE trading to close at $83.23 from the IPO price of $31. Lifting the market cap to $18.5 billion. The stock saw a trading volume of over 47.8 million shares, according to the exchange. The debut, however, revived memories of Coinbase listing in April 2021, which marked an interim Bitcoin market top. The number of large open interest holders of CME Bitcoin futures reached an all-time high of 217 as of the end of May, signaling increased institutional participation. Uber CEO Dara Khosrowshahi said that the company is in the study phase of potentially using stablecoins as a payment method. In traditional markets, the U.S. Treasury called on the Bank of Japan to hike rates to stall the weakness in the yen, a currency that's seen as a haven from risk. Stay alert. The CoinDesk Policy and Regulation Conference, formerly known as State of Crypto, is a one-day boutique event held in Washington on September 10th that allows general counsels, compliance officers and regulatory executives to meet with public officials responsible for crypto legislation and regulatory oversight. By Shaurya Malva. Strategy, MSTR closed on Thursday at $368.79, minus 2.46%, plus 1.67% at $374.94 in pre-market. Coinbase Global, Coin closed at $244.20, minus 4.61%, plus 2.04% at $249.19. Circle, CRCL closed at $83.23, plus 168.48%, plus 15.22% at $95.11. Galaxy Digital Holdings, GLXY closed at $26.12, minus 4.98%. Mara Holdings, Mara closed at $14.88, minus 5.04%, plus 1.75% at $15.14. Riot Platforms, Riot closed at $8.99, minus 5.37%, plus 2.45% at $9.21. Core Scientific, CORZ closed at $11.93, minus 5.02%, unchanged in pre-market. CleanSpark, CLSK closed at $9.02, minus 5.35%, plus 2.0% at $9.20. CoinShares Valkyrie Bitcoin Miners ETF, WGMI closed at $18.20, minus 5.16%. Semler Scientific, SMLR closed at $32.64, minus 8.72%, plus 2.02% at $33.30. Exodus Movement, EXOD closed at $26.13, minus 2.97%, unchanged in pre-market. Spot BTC ETFs. Spot ETH ETFs. Source: Farside Investors. Omkar Godbole is a co-managing editor on CoinDesk's markets team based in Mumbai. Holds a master's degree in finance and a chartered market technician, CMT member. Omkar previously worked at FX Street, writing research on currency markets and as fundamental analyst at currency and commodities desk at Mumbai-based brokerage houses. Omkar holds small amounts of Bitcoin, Ether, BitTorrent, Tron and DOT. Shaurya is the co-leader of the CoinDesk tokens and data team in Asia with a focus on crypto derivatives, DeFi, market microstructure and protocol analysis. Shaurya holds over $1,000 in BTC, ETH, SOL, AVAX, Sushi, CRV, NEAR, YFI, YFII, SHIB, Doge, USDT, USDC, BNB, MANA, MLN, Link, XMR, ALGO, VET, Cake, AAVE, Comp, Rook, TRX, SNX, Rune, FTM, ZIL, KSM, ENJ, CKB, Joe, GHST, Perp, BTRFLY, OHM, Banana, Rome, Burger, Spirit, and ORCA. He provides over $1,000 to liquidity pools on Compound, Curve, SushiSwap, PancakeSwap, BurgerSwap, Orca, AnySwap, SpiritSwap, Rook Protocol, Yearn Finance, Synthetics, Harvest, Redacted Cartel, Olympus DAO, Rome, Trader Joe and Sun.